Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and PC sales and Microsoft pushing Windows 11 with new minimum requirements that mean a lot of people on Windows 10 kind of started thinking of moving ahead to something else. And does it work? Well, it does seem to work. We've got numbers that started to come out this week from PC manufacturers. All three, Lenovo, HP, and Dell, all report increased sales of PCs, increased revenue, increased profits. And this has to do, it really has to do with the fact that Windows 10 is at end of support. It is interesting, as this week, two person that I know that I actually fixed their computers in the past came up and said, so, what should I buy? Because Windows 10 is at end of support in October. And they don't know that there's an extended support program. None of them know. Microsoft made sure the minimum amount of people knew. People here know because of this channel. But it's not clear. It doesn't pop up on your screen that you have extended support. It's hidden in Windows Update. I hope at some point that it'll pop up somewhere else, maybe on your desktop. But the fact that it's in Windows Update, it almost sounds like it's hidden from the view of people. So, Dell, HP, and Lenovo get increased sales, which means it's going to be interesting to see the next numbers on sales of the PC because it seems like it's going well. And this will also be interesting as this early next week, on September 1st, we'll see our next numbers of Windows 11 versus Windows 10. Windows 11 has been really getting much faster at a higher market share. And it has to do with Windows 10 end of support. A lot of people don't know their extra year, and a lot of people just are like, okay, well, it's time to buy a new computer. A lot of the manufacturers and even some analysts are saying, well, a lot of the PCs that were purchased during the pandemic are coming to their end of cycle. PCs have typically on an average, a cycle that's around 4 to 5 years. And it might sound horrible because it is when you think of the waste and the fact that PCs could last so much longer. But the fact is, with Microsoft pushing ahead with Windows 10 end of support, well, this is what's happening. It's the cycle again, the cycle of the past when we had to buy new computers every time there was a new version of Windows after the time. And this it is again, and it never changed. So this is going to be interesting to see some of the other numbers as we move to September, October. What do you think of this? I know a lot of you will say, well, that's horrible. It is. And unfortunately, that's the way things work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.